In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log into another account in Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then tap right here to go to your profile. Instagram app allows us to be signed into multiple Instagram accounts at the same time, and we can easily switch between them without logging out. To do that, we need to tap right here at our Instagram username, and it will show us all the accounts we are currently signed in. As you can see, I got 5 accounts here, and I can easily switch between them simply by tapping on them. And also right from here we can add new account here by tapping right there. Then tap add log in the existing account or create new account. I'm gonna tap add log in the existing account, and then all we have to do is just enter phone number, username or email in that text field and password in the second one. After that, tap add login, and then your another Instagram account will be added right here in that list, and you will be able to easily switch between all of your Instagram accounts. That's how you can easily log into your another account on Instagram.